Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Wednesday, December 2nd, 2015. Well, folks, one of the most hated and loved stocks is SUNE. It's been on a wild ride. It first was a meteoric runner months and months ago, and now it has been crushed to the ground, trading like a penny stock, although obviously still a billion-dollar company. Everyone's asking me what's going on here. I'm going to give you the lowdown and exactly where to look for a major breakout, which we are on the verge of. And again, personally, anytime a stock falls like this, and again, you had such a mass exodus of hedge funds here, once those hedge funds are done selling, you should see a rubber band type snap back. So again, let's find the levels. To do that, this is the intraday 10-minute chart. You can see it's trading up about 6% on the day. I want you to all go to the 60-minute chart. This is where the key is. Go to the 60-minute and zoom out a little bit, okay? All right, and what you see here is this was the last major drop where it basically went from $8 down to $2.50. All right, what I want you to do is see these low pivots right here where it started to chop before the next leg down. Put a trend line starting right there. Connect it through this area right here. Connect it through this area right here. Okay? All right, so when you've connected it to all of these, put that trend line in. And look at the beauty of this thing. Pivot low, pivot highs, and then look at this. Over the last day or so, look at it hammer on this level. So what I'm telling you right now is very simple. If you close the end of the day above this trend line, all right, you have a major breakout on SUNE, S-U-N-E. Not only that, but this chart, if it breaks out, will then go test this previous big pop high of 425 right there. That'll be your next resistance. If it gets through that level, you're going to see SUNE go all the way back to this pivot low and this area right here. So basically around $5 to $5.50 is your target if it can get through 425. But bottom line is, right here is what you're looking at today. This is a major, I repeat, major level. Look at how it's hammering on it today so many times. Yesterday, once, twice. Today, 1, 2, 3, 4. Almost every candle touching that level. And again, this level right now is around the 370, 375 level. And we keep hammering, as you can see, 369 right now. It needs to close the end of the day above that. If it does that, I have very much confidence that you will see literally tomorrow, probably, 425. Now, 425, again, is going to be resistance. So it might need a couple days to get through that. Might stall out a little bit. Might have a small pullback. But if it gets through 425, $5 to $5.50 is your next target. I personally would be surprised if it gets through $5 to $5.50 in the near term. I think probably takes maybe into January to get through that level. But I think in the short term, I mean, heck, if I said right now, 370 to 520 even, and that's a huge move. That is a huge, huge move. So that's a $1.50 move on a $3 stock, almost a 50% move there. So in any case, I want you to be aware of this trend line. This is an epic trend line. These trend lines, when you find them, they tell you everything. They tell you the key breakpoints, what to look for, where it's going, and I'm giving it to you right now. Watch for that breakout. That breakout starts a massive squeeze that, again, takes it at least to 425, potentially to $5, $5.50. Come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com, guys. We're trading these type of stocks nonstop, shorting, going long, swing trading, quick moves, in and out for 10% here and there. The research center is where you want to be. You get videos every day logging exactly what we're looking at. You got a proprietary methodology we teach here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Join the research center now. If you're into options, join the options alerts. You get options trades pretty much almost every day. Take care, guys. Enjoy. Come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com.